May, I don't think Sailor likes it when you touch his feet. Get him. Get him. Get him. Boop. Get him. Yeah. Is he silly? Get that boy. Get him. Get his feet. Yeah. Why do you like his feet so much, May? I just do. Get his foot. Get his foot, buddy. You can do it, big girl. Thank you, Ben. Being very careful. Aww. Sorry, friend.